An octopus named Otto lived deep in the blue. But one day he shouted, "What do arms even do?" He tried to ride a skateboard, he tried to fly a kite, but kept bonking fish with every wobbly fly. He wore a snorkel on his butt, a crab yelled nope. Then he tangled himself in a seaweed rope. A jellyfish giggled, "Otto, you're bizarre." Otto replied, "Fine, I'll just drive a car." "Death, you bluff, bluff, bluff. Otto, that's a rock. You're not a penguin, and you don't wear socks. But we'll paddle those legs, just give it a spin. You're the octopus who forgot how to swim." Da 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 da. He tried to do ballet on a coral stage, but a grumpy shrimp threw seaweed in rage. Otto tried to tightrope on an eel parade, then fell in a clam that yelled, "Winch, you know, wrong meat." An anglerfish blinked, "Buddy, come on, you're squishy and boneless, not King Kong." The dolphins flipped and gave him a cheer. Otto, just float, and he flew like a chandelier.